Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to S4Sims Store for Fashion and Design. Alhamdulillah, we are constantly receiving orders from all across the world. Let me show you some of our collection. These all are Turkish traditional mala with amethyst stone. As you can see, this stone, we have huge variety of these stones. These malas are all of these malas are in rice beads, or we have huge variety. Look at these stones. Look at this green color. Isn't it beautiful? Awesome design. Look at this stone. Black color, original pearl, crystals, and amethyst stone. Look at the stone and the size. Look at this stone. Look at the size of stone. Look at this. Look at this. Alhamdulillah, we have a huge collection of Turkish traditional mala. Alhamdulillah, we are receiving orders from all across the world, especially from USA, UK, Canada, Australia, America. Alhamdulillah, we are receiving orders from all across the world. Look at these mala. Look at this. With the large stone, grey color, grey color beads. Look at this mustard color. Look at this stone. Look at this. Look at this. It's pearl. It's kind of a pearl. Look at this in black color. Look at this. Alhamdulillah, we have a huge collection and we are constantly receiving orders from all across the world. Alhamdulillah, from USA, UK, Canada, Australia. Look at these mala. Pearls, crystals, left पे right beads हैं, right पे crystals हैं. Look at the stone. There's a stone called turquoise. Turquoise. Look at this. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Amazing and beautiful colors. Look at this. Oval. Oval shape. Rectangular. Blue marna. Blue mala. Alhamdulillah, we have a huge collection and we are constantly receiving orders from all across the world. Alhamdulillah, and we are offering really such a good competitive price for resellers. To resellers, you can contact us on given number. You can contact us on our social media pages, and you can contact us on through this QR code, and you can place your orders. See you in next video. Assalamu alaikum.